Since installing KnowNow manufacturing intelligence hardware, we have been able to spend more time on continuous improvement and product innovations.
That's right, Frank. Just last month
That's not good. We have a problem brewing.
I'll go check it out. Morning, John. What's going on?
I'm not sure. We are keeping the machine running, yet KnowNow keeps complaining.
It shows that at this rate, we won't be making our target today.
Does KnowNow have a crystal ball? We are only 2 hours into the shift, it can't possibly know that.
I continuously calculate the running rate of the machine, taking into account speed of production as well as defective parts. Using these statistics, I can already determine that if we continue like this, we will fall significantly short of our daily target.
I don't understand. I know there is a problem, but we made a temporary fix and we are working around it.
Thank you, John. I know you mean well, but all these tiny stoppages coupled with the scrap being produced is resulting in us falling behind on our orders. The truck has to load these parts in 5 hours, and the forecast shows we won't have them finished in time. How much time do you need to fix the problem properly?
Unfortunately, it will take about an hour. I don't think we can afford that long of a stoppage.
Let's stop and carry out the proper repair. I'll see what I can do.
I heard that we are going to miss this delivery.
I have a plan. If we swap trucks A and B around, we will have a little more time before loading. The figures show that if we return to our efficiencies from before the breakdown, we can make up the time before the deadline.
Excellent work. Thankfully, we can have confidence in those figures thanks to KnowNow.
You're right. We would never have been able to make these kinds of decisions so confidently in the past.
And what's worse is that before KnowNow, we would only have found out about this disaster in tomorrow morning's meeting. Imagine the trouble we would have had to sort out and all the time that would have been wasted.
I don't need to imagine, we've lived through it. I never want to go back to those times.
Now, where were we?
With KnowNow's innovative use of statistics and data, early warning alarms allow you to action problems before it's too late, keeping you on schedule and keeping your customer happy. Don't get left behind. Contact us now to start your journey to manufacturing excellence.